Bugs the Pirate and today I've got the multicolor play button. Lego play button. I only have 2 videos, which is really surprising. My brother, let's just say Nubs the Pirate. No, I'll show you his. Nubs Gaming. I'll show you his. He's got this one compared to mine. As you can see, mine's smaller and his is bigger. But as you can see, mine's white, blue, green, and light blue and dark blue. His is just white on the sides. Tell them you want to thank them so much. I want to thank you guys so much for this. Thank you, and say this is your award. This is my award and yours. So I want to thank you guys so much for this multicolor play button. And I want to thank you so much for all this support. Thank you all. Never stop being awesome and goodbye. Bugs the Pirate. Thank you guys never stop being awesome. Bye. Bugs the Pirate. How do I stop this?